New York. Donald Trump on Tuesday returned to civil case that jeopardized his real estate empire. And as an employee he watched and chagrined the case, testifying that an outside appraiser essentially tipped scales when appraising his company's property's value. The former president, who disputes his net worth and is angered by a lawsuit that could deprive him of signature assets, such as Trump Tower, will testify later in the hearing. But he chose to attend first 3 days and returned Tuesday to observe and protest the treatment of news cameras waiting outside Manhattan courtroom. Star witness Michael Cohen, one-time Trump fixer and now foe, postponed his scheduled testimony due to ill health. Instead, Donna Kidder, the Trump company's accountant, testified that she was told to make certain assumptions in the firm's favor in internal financial statements. Outside appraiser Doug Larson said a former Trump Organization auditor did not recommend or condone methods of valuing properties. It doesn't make sense, Larson said of the former controller's 2013 valuation of $287.6 million for a prominent Trump-owned retail space. Outside of court, Trump repeated his insistence that he had done nothing wrong and that New York Attorney General Letitia James' case was a political vendetta designed to disrupt his 2024 presidential campaign. While he leads the Republican field, "We've built great company. With a lot money. Lot of great assets. Some greatest real estate assets anywhere in the world," Trump said outside courtroom. He dismissed case as a disgrace. The legal system corrupt and Democratic Attorney General a radical lunatic. James' lawsuit alleges that Trump company deceived banks, insurers and others by overvaluing assets, inflating net worth in financial statements. Mr. Trump may lie, but the numbers don't lie, she said. He might call me names. He might distract me, he said. But his whole empire was built on nothing but lies and sinking sand. Trump says his assets are actually undervalued and argues that the disclaimers in his financial statements amount to telling banks and other buyers to check their own figures. Larson, a real estate brokerage executive and certified appraiser, evaluated Trump properties for lenders. He was surprised when told at the hearing that former Trump Organization controller Jeffrey McConney was repeatedly named as an outside expert in valuation statements. "This is inappropriate and wrong," Larson testified. "I should have been told and asked for an evaluation." Larson testified that when it came to valuing a store formerly known as Niketown, McConney relied on rates of return for a different type of property rather than comparable retail space. He also said that he valued a Wall Street building owned by Trump at $540 million in 2015. And McConney valued this building at $735.4 million in Trump's financial statement. Trump's attorney, Lazaro Fields, cross-examined Larson and asked if there was anything Th.